ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद। Why do I say Kanva Shakya Brahadaranyaka Upanishad?
There is Madhyandini
Not
Shaka.
Madhyandini Shaka.
What do you mean, what not Madhyandini Shaka? Upanishad is? Bhashya is on Kanva Shaka. Bhagavan Bhashyakar's Bhashya is on Kanva Shaka. So the mantra that we have on which Bhashyakar has written Bhashya, those mantras are from Kanva Shaka. Brahadaranyaka Upanishad is available in Madhyandini Shaka also. But those mantras are slightly different. Some either words are different or sequence is different, etc. So the mantras that we have here, which we are studying, on which Bhagavan Bhashyakar has written Bhashya, is Kanva Shakha Brahadaranyaka. Good answer. Therefore, we are studying Kanva Shakha only. That's why I say it's not that it is not available in Madhyandini, but that mantra sequence or some shabdas are different. Actually, if you study Vartik, then you will know these differences lot more. Like if you are probably familiar with this, the Sadhana Chatushtaya mantra, right? The mantra in Brahadaranyaka where Sadhana Chatushtaya, Shat Sampati is mentioned. So there is one Bheda you already know, that Shanto Danto Uparata Stitikshu Shraddha Vitto Bhutva Atmanyeva Atmanam Pashyet. And Shanto Danto Uparata Stitikshu Samahito Bhutva Atmanyeva Atmanam Pashyet. But in one, actually it is said Atmanyeva Atmanam Pashyet. Vidhilinga Prayoga is done. And in another, Atmanyeva Atmanam Pashyati. Lat Lakara Prayoga is there. So there also question will come, why Vidhilinga is there in Madhyandini Shakha and why in Kanva Shakha Lat Lagara Prayoga is there. So it is said, the Atma va are drashtavya, there itself injunction is given. Vidhi is there because Tavya Pratyaya is there in that way. Therefore, separate Vidhanam is not done. Whether you say Atmani eva Atmanam Pashyet or Atma vare Drashtavya, it is injunction only both ways. Therefore, because once it is said in one Shakha, another Vidhi is not given. Whereas in Madhyandini, twice Vidhi is mentioned. In this way, Samadhanam is done. So there are differences and they are explained in Vartik. Okay, let us see page number 112 in Tika. So yesterday the Drishtanta was about the Ganga Jalam, that how Ganga Jala makes everything pavitra. Even if Chandala Bhanda is there, that Jalam also when it mixes with Gangaji, it will become pure. Nobody will question it anymore. In this way, they say, hmm, for a sadhu also, you should not ask how he was before, etc. Once he is a Mahatma, he is a Mahatma. This is how in tradition they say. There is a vakya for that. For river, you should not ask the origin. If it is river and if it goes in Ganga, then it is pavitra only in this way. And for sadhu, no questions. It is pavitra in this way. Here, for the jalam, shloka is given, half shloka is given. Ashuchyapi payah prapya gangam yati pavitratam. How will you do the anvaya? Ashuchi payah api. So anvaya is like this. Ashuchi, first word. Then payah api gangam prapya pavitratam yati. Every next word, then previous word. Next word, then previous word. Next word, then Ashuchi payah api gangam prapya pavitratam. Impure water also, when it attains Gangaji, it becomes pavitra. इति न्यायाद इत्यर्थः यन् नैसर्गिक अज्ञानजन्यं तद आगंतुक प्रमाण ज्ञानेन निवर्तते यथा रज्जु सर्पादि ज्ञानम नैसर्गिक अज्ञानजन्यश्च पाप्मा तेन प्रामाणिक प्राण विज्ञानेन तद्वस्तिः इत्याह नैसर्गिक अज्ञानजन्यम आगंतुक प्रमाण ज्ञानेन निवर्तते. In Rajju Sarpa Drishtanta, what is Naisargika Ajnana Janyam? Sarpadi Jnanam. Sarpa Jnanam, Rajju Sarpa Jnanam is Ajnana Janyam. Correct? Ajnanam is Naisargikam. Naisargikam Chatat Ajnanam. Tad Janyam. Ajnana Janyam. What is Naisargikam is Ajnanam. Tad Janyam Tad Agantuka Pramana Jnanena. So Tad Janyam will be Rajju Sarpadi Jnanam. Tad Agantuka Pramana Jnanena Nivartate. See what is most important word here? Pramana Jnanena. Pramana Jnanam is Agantuka. What is the Pramana Jnanam here? In Drishtanta, Rajju Jnanam. Rajju Jnanam is Pramana Jnanam. When Rajju Jnanam comes, then what will be gone? Sarpa Nivritti, Sarpa Jnana Nivritti. Arthadhyasa, Jnanadhyasa. Both will go. Naisargika Ajnana Janyasya. Papma. So now, up to Rajju Sarpadi Jnanam is Drishtanta. In Darshtanta, he says, Papa in us is also because of Naisargika Ajnana. Naisargika means for which Karana is not known. That's why it is called Naisargika. Naisargika Ajnana Janyascha Papma. Tena Pramanika Prana Vijnanena. Prana Vijnana is Pramanika. Tadvastihi Ityaha. Dvasti means Nasha. So it Nasha will take place. What is the question?
Swamiji, why is the word Agantuka given here?
Pramana Jnanam will always be Agantuka, like Brahmakar Vritti. Brahmakar Vritti, which is not there, will eventually come. Brahma is always there. Brahmakar vritti will come in time. That's why Brahma is not going to remove your avidya. Brahmakar vritti alone can remove avidya. Brahmakar vritti will come, will do the work, will go. Brahma cannot remove avidya. That's why agantuka visheshana is for jnanam. Agantuka is not for pramana. Agantukena pramana jnanena. In this way you can understand. Tippani is good. Agantuka means janyam, but what is janyam is not pramanam. Agantuka visheshana is not for pramana. Agantuka visheshana is for jnanam. Tena pramanik vijnana tadvasti ityaha. In Hindi they say ऋषि का कुल और नदी का मूल नहीं पूछना. ऋषेः कुलम नद्याः मूलम. In भाष्य वागादि फर्स्ट लाइन वागादि विशेषात्म अभिमान हेतुत्वात् स्वाभाविक अज्ञान हेतुत्वाच्च. वागादि विशेष आत्म अभिमान हेतुत्वात् स्वाभाविक अज्ञान हेतुत्वाच्च प्राणात्मा अभिमानिनो विरुध्यते. Pranatma abhimana and Vagadi Vishesha Abhimana. So if a person has Vagadi Vishesha Abhimana and through Upasana he has now cultivated Pranatma Abhimana, which both now two are there. Which one will remove which one? So it is said Vagadi Vishesha Abhimana is Swabhavika, Naisargika, and Pranatma Abhimana is Agantuka. It is Pramanajanya. Pramanajanya Pranatma Abhimana will remove Vagadi Abhimana, which is Naisargika. Vagadi means Parichinnatva Abhimana. And Pranatma Abhimana is Aparichinna. But it is Shastriya. Therefore, it is Pramana. So, Shastriya Jnanam or Shastriya Tadatmya will remove Naisargika, Avidyaka Tadatmya. This is the main point. If you use the word Tadatmya, you can apply for Upasana also, you can apply for Jnanam also. Question is raised now. Nanu Abhimana Yoho Virodha Visheshat बाध्य बाधकत्व व्यवस्था अयोगात् द्वयोरपि मिथो बाधः स्यात् तत्राह. Abhimanayoho. Now you should know what are the two abhimana. Abhimanayoho means two abhimana. Pranatma abhimana and Vagadi abhimana. Pranatma abhimana is Samashti abhimana. Vagadi abhimana is Vyashti abhimana. Between Samashti and Vyashti abhimana, if there is virodha, abhimanayoho virodha, avisheshat, how do you say which one will be badhaka, which one will be bhadya? Which one will get negated and which one will remain? How will you decide? Badhya badhaka tva vyavastha ayogat. There is no such vyavastha. So then what will happen? Dvayorapi mitho badha syat. Both will get negated. How? 14 number tippani. Sundopasunda nyayena iti bhavaha. Have you heard of this Sundopasunda nyaya? There were these two Rakshasas. They were doing so much tapas, they both became very powerful. Their name was Sunda and Upasunda. Then all Devatas told Bhagavan that this is nuisance, they are a problem. Bhagavan said, okay. So what he did, he came as a beautiful Sundari. and appeared there between the two. So Sunda said, I will marry you. Upasunda said, I will marry you. This is what Bhagavan wanted. He said, first you fight and you decide, whoever wins, then I will decide. So Mithobadaha, they both killed each other. Bhagavan didn't have to do anything. This is our Leela Tandava Panditaha. He will do all this. So maybe both Abhimana will go. You will not have any Abhimana. Mithobadaha syat tatraha. No, it's not true. Shastra janito hi pranatma abhimanas tasmad evam vidaha papma duram bhavati iti yuktam virodhat. After virodhat, purna viram. When such cases are there, right, where you don't have space for purna viram, but you have to put purna viram, or somewhere you want to. So what you do, above that ta, you make some line, and below also some line. So it will appear one line is complete there. Then tadetat pradarshayati is further. Shastra janita is pranatma abhimana. Therefore, this abhimana will remain. Tasmad evam vidaha papma duram bhavati. Shastra janita abhimana will remain. From this evam vidaha papma duram bhavati. From this person, the papa which is arising from vagadi abhimana will stay far. Iti yuktam. Between them there is virodha. Tika. Uktameva papa dhvansa rupam vidyaphalam prapanchaitum uttar vakyam ityaha. Uktameva papa dhvansa rupam vidyaphalam. So this papa dhvansa is the vidyaphalam. Vidya means upasana phalam. To elaborate that, next mantra is there. Etat pradarshayati. Tadetat pradarshayati. That is being shown now. Tadetat. So etat, third number tippani you see. Yathoktam papadhvansa rupam vidyaphalam ityarthaha. Samanyatah, what is parichinnam is always weaker. Now, if you notice in second line of Bhashya, tasmad evam vidaha, there is a star in that. So that star in the tippani, something new is starting now. This is called Krodapatra. Krodapatra, Bade Maharaj Ji, what he has done now, Vartikas he has introduced. So you will see now Bhashya is there, Tika is there, then Hindi Anuvad is there, then Tippani is there, then below Vartikas have started coming now. They will not be on every page, but there will be Vartika. So those places where they do this teaching of Brahadaranyaka, where they don't have Vartika books with all students, but if they have Kailash books, they do these Vartikas. Whatever Vartikas they are covered. And here in Vartika, Anand Giriji's Tika is also given. So like if you see, the third line in that Samadadhur Vartikacharyaha. Vartikacharyaha Samadadhu. He is doing Samadhanam. Then Vartika is given in two lines, 216, 17. Numbers are given. After that, what is explained is Anand Giriji's Tika from on Vartika. That is also there. From Pranasya, etc. Then on next page also it will continue. Then 218 Vartika is there. So appropriate Vartikas are given here. And there Anand Giriji's Tika is also there. If somebody wants to get some clarification on certain words or some concept, then they are provided. See mantra number 10 now. सावा एषा देवतैतासां देवतानां पाप्मानं मृत्युमपहत्य यत्रासां दिशामन्तस्तद्गमयाञ्चकार तदासां पाप्मनो विन्यदधात् तस्मान्न जनमीयान्नान्तमीयान्नेत् पाप्मानं मृत्युम् अन्ववायानीति। सावा एषा देवता, दिस प्राण देवता, एतासां देवतानां पाप्मानं मृत्युम अपहत्य। एतासां देवतानां means Vagadi devatanam. Of these Vagadi devatas, whatever their papa was there, what this devata has done, papmanam mrityum, this papa which is of the nature of mrityu, apahatya, having pulled it out, having taken it away, yatra asam disham antaha, where there is the end of directions, tad gamayanchakara, it took it and put it there, it threw it there where there is end of directions. Where is the dishamantaha, where is the end of direction? We don't know where is the end of direction. A Bhashyakar will explain where is the end of direction. He says there where Shastriya Adhyanam Adhyapanam and all the rules of the Vedas, they end. That is called end of direction. After that, the world doesn't exist for us, for Shastriya people. This is why they say Papa stays there. So that's why Shankaracharyas and all, they don't go beyond or outside India. They say Bharatvarsha is where Vedas are there. Outside, they are not there, so they don't cross the oceans. This is probably how, based on this mantra, that injunction has come. Tad asam, those who are outside, then don't worry, I will explain. Bhashyakar will explain what it means. Now, don't just take it literally. Where you are following Vedic traditions, Vedic injunctions, that means you are within. And even within the country, if you are not following Vedas, if you are following your own system, then you are actually outside. Tadasam papmano vinyadadhat. Ni adadhat. Visheshana ni purvak dhatu. Ni purvak dhatu is for to place, to keep. Vipurvodha karotyarthe. Abhipurvastu bhashane. Then मेलने चापि संपूर्वो निपूर्व स्थापने मत. Nipurva is for sthapanam. So prana devata took the papa and did the sthapanam of the Vagadinam papam all the way far in the remote place. Vinyadadhat. Tasmat, therefore, what is the result of this? Na janam iyat. Nantam iyat. Don't go to a person who is not following Shastra. Don't go to a place where people don't follow Shastra. Both. Na janam iyat. Janam means person. Na antam iyat. Dishantam means don't go to that place. Net papmanam mrutyum anvavayaniti. Why I should not go? Because if in case that papam or mrityu may I get affected, so may I not get affected by it. Therefore, I should not go there. Anvavayini, anu ava aya. Anu ava aya. अयानी अनु अव अयानी इति अन्वयानी अन्ववायानी इति. In English, neth is translated as lest. Lest means in case. In case if you end up there, then it will affect you. Therefore, in Tika, मृत्युम अपहत्य यत्र आसाम दिशाम अंतः तद गमयांचकार इति संबंधः. So in the mantra, मृत्युम अपहत्य, you have to connect with yatra asam disham antah. Asam disham antah, where there is end of the disha. Tad means tatra gamayanchakara iti sambandha. Gamayanchakara, gam is the dhatu, gamdri. Then nijanta is done. When there is nijanta, it is like churadi gana dhatu. So in that you can use, and lit lakar is there. So bhu, kri, as, all these three, kri, bhu, as, all these three you can use. So like chakara is from kri. Gamayan chakara. This is a lit lakara rupa. Asha. Sava esha devata iti uktartham. Sava esha devata, already we have said, prana devata. Etasam vagadinam devatanam papmanam mrutyum. स्वाभाविक अज्ञान प्रयुक्त इंद्रिय विषय संसर्ग आसंग जनितेन. What is the mrityu of the Vagadi devata? Their papam, which is indriya vishaya sansarga asanga janita. Ajnana prayukta, out of ignorance, their extreme attachment to the vishaya by indriya. Janitena hi papmana sarvo mriyate. All people perish because of this. Sahi ato mrutyuhu. That itself is mrutyuhu. In Tika, katham papma mrityu uchyate tatraha. Why papa is mrityu? So that is said, swabhavika ajnana prayukta indriya sansarga, etc. Tika further, apahatya iti atra purvavad anvayah. Apahatya, mrityum apahatya. So that is given in the mrityum apahatya in Tika first line itself. Yatra asam disham antaha. So anvaya should be done like how it is given in the first line. प्राण देवता चेत पापमानम हंति सदैव किम न हन्यात इत्यादि आशंका. If prana devata is destroying this papa or throwing it away, why can't it do all the time? Why only for some people it happens, only at some times it happens? Why not all the time? Pranatma iti in Bhashya. Tam pranatma abhimana rupabhyo devatabhyo apachidya apahatya. Pranatma abhimana matrataya eva prano apahanta ityuchyate. Prana is apahanta only when pranatma abhimana is created. Pranatma abhimana matrataya eva. In other words, if a person does prana upasana, only then that prana devata will remove the papa of Vagadi. If a person doesn't do upasana or does some upasana for 3 days and doesn't follow up much, a prana devata will not do anything. In other words, it is the abhimanam. When I have samashti abhimanam, I will not be inclined to do ashastriya pravritti. This is the main thing. It is the abhimanam. Not that there is some devata standing there who will do something. Who is standing? Nobody is standing. If you have that abhimanam, naturally you won't do certain things. If that abhimanam is not there, see, anywhere, I'll give you drishtanta. Means drishtanta how in traditions we follow. Let's say somebody offers a Brahmana boy some meat. He says, no, we cannot eat. Why you cannot eat? We are Brahmanas. What is stopping him? Abhimana. This abhimana is created in him. You are a Brahmana. You cannot do this. This abhimana is going to stop him. There is nothing else. Nobody else is standing there. If that abhimana is broken, why Janev is given? Every morning you have to do Gayatri, every morning you have to do this japa. Who is asking him to do? This abhimanam. Now you are a Veda Pathi. Now you have to do Veda Adhyanam. This abhimana is created. This abhimana will force him to do certain things, and this abhimana will force him to not do certain things. And though other people say, no, we can eat. Why? We have other abhimana. So we say, we are not told not to eat. In this way, it is the abhimana. Whatever rules are given from childhood in families, they create some abhimana. That abhimana is a bandhana. It is shreyaha. It will protect you. So that abhimana is good. So every time I say, no, we can't do this. Today is Ekadashi. No, I can't eat. Why? Abhimana is there. I am Ekadashi Vrati. I have done this vrata. So I can't eat this. But nobody is there. You can eat in your room. You can go out on the street and eat. Pani puri, bhel puri. Abhimana is so strong, it will not let me do. This is what is going to prevent you. So, Shastra's role is to create this Abhimana. And that is going to be a shield for you. This is actually called Adhyaropa. This is required until I am ready to drop everything and just say I am Brahma. Until then, I need all these Adhyaropa. So it is this Pranatma Abhimana only is going to remove the sin. Nothing else. In Akhyayika, they say Prana Devata is doing everything, but you should understand Prana Devata means it is these things. Tika. Bhavatu prano vagadinam papmano apahanta. Vidushastu kim ayatam ityashankya. Okay, let us say prana is the hanta. Apahanta means the remover, kidnapper of the papa of Vagadi. What does it have to do with a jnani? Vidushaha means upasakasya upasanaya kim ayatam kim phalam labdam. विरोधादेव तु पापमा एवं विदो दूरंगमो भवति. Because of the virodha between prana abhimana and vagadi abhimana. You look at prime minister of a country, they also want to have fun and entertainment. Do they get any time? Like if you see where they are going from place to place to place, there is nothing personal. No personal agenda you can have. You just have to work for the nation. That's all. So this Abhimana is there. That Abhimana is driving him every moment. We should start this, we should start that, etc. etc. Durangamo bhavati. Durangamo, in this, there is a sutra. Priyavashe vadaha khach. Khach pratyaya comes here. Number is 3 to 38. Priyavashe vadaha khach. In that there is a Vartika. Game he supi vachya. Game, because Durangama is there. So, like Vada, Priyam Vadaha, Vasham Vadaha, and this Durangamaha, Vihangamaha. So, Mitangamaha. Such Shabda Prayogas are done. Priyavashe Vadaha Khach. For Priya and Vasha, iti etayoho karmanoho upapadayoho vade atoho khach pratyo bhavati. Priyam vadati iti priyam vadaha. Vasham vadati iti vasham vadaha. And then this Vartika says for gam also. Vihangamaha, mitangamaha, durangamaha. I will just finish this much. Kim punash chakara devatanam papmanam mrutyum apahatya iti uchyate. Yatra yasmin asam pratyadinam disham anto avasanam tat tatra gamayan chakara gamanam kritavan ityetat. Kim punah chakara devatanam papmanam mrutyum apahatya. Kin chakara, chakara is not cha. Chakara, what did it do? What did it do with that papa of the Vagadi Devata? Kin chakara. So, uchyate. Yatra yasmin nasam pratyadinam disham. The eastern, etc., east, west, whatever. Disham antaha avasanam. Tat tatra gamayan chakara. Gamanam kritavan. Iti etat. There it kept all the sin. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.